Most businesses running meta ads are wasting at least 60% of the budget and they not even know it's happening. It's not because the platform sucks, it's because they're making these 3 specific mistakes that are killing your results before your ads being shown to your customer. I've ran meta ads for multiple businesses. I'm part of Benny's Inner Circle, a community who has spent over $200 million for meta ads, and one of our campaigns generated 4.3x return in a single month, while the top campaign performed a 5.1x return on ad spend. I've coached a complete beginner agency getting a 7x return on their first campaign. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 mistakes and systems we use to fix them. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Louw. I run a performance marketing agency in South Africa and documenting my journey of building Wouw Capital from an agency to a $1 billion private equity firm. On this channel, we share everything that works and what doesn't work. Here are the 3 mistakes that are killing your ads. Mistake number 1, wrong objective. Most businesses running meta ads are either choosing traffic or reach. The traffic just tracks your link clicks. They're not giving you any sales or any leads, and reach is like awareness. You're just showing a video to everyone without them having to purchase or go into a landing page to purchase your product or fill in a form to get you a lead. The one thing you want to do is look at your campaign objective and make sure it's on sales or leads, depending on which one you want. If you're an e-commerce site, you want sales. If you're in a service-based company, you want leads. So make sure, go back to your campaigns, make sure all the objectives are set to sales or leads. Mistake number 2 is bad creative. Due to Facebook's new Andromeda update, the ones with the better creatives are the ones that are getting the best spend, are the ones getting the best or the most purchases. So you want to focus on better creatives. Even with a small budget, we are currently running 15 to 20 ad creatives in one single campaign in one ad set. Every second week, we add 5 new ad creatives. Make sure the campaign is set to campaign budget optimization, the CBO, so we can make sure Facebook chooses which budget to use or which ad creators to place in the budget. Facebook's algorithm is strong enough to know exactly which creative will do what for you, so let it run. Third mistake is exiting the learning phase way too quickly. What we've learned is when you have your ad running, make sure it's running for a while. I mean, if you have a small budget, it's going to take maybe a month or 2. If you have a bigger budget, it might be quicker. The way to see this, Facebook optimizes for conversions. So as soon as Facebook realizes your ad or your campaign has more than 50 or plus conversions, then it's out of the learning phase. If it's not at 50 conversions, it's still in the learning phase. If you have a small budget, don't spread it too thin. Don't make a ad set budget optimization, create 5 ad sets and have, for example, 100 Rand per ad set. If you have a small budget, make everything in one campaign, put the whole budget in the one campaign, make sure Facebook exits the learning phase. As soon as you get more sales, then you can scale up. We'll create a separate video on how to scale your campaigns. If you want us to run and build the systems for you, the link is down below in the description where you can book a call with us. We are a performance-based marketing agency, so that means that we only get paid once you get clients.